1.1. Figure 1.1 shows a solid cylinder 5 centimeters long, mass 215 grams, placed between two wooden blocks, and a rule to determine the diameter of the cylinder. Alright, so question 1A, it was asking us state the diameter of the cylinder. Alright, so let me go to the diagram. Alright, so for you to find the diameter of this cylinder, what you need to do is simple. You need to go where this line is starting from and where this line is starting from, or where this line is meeting the ruler, and where this line is meeting the ruler. Then you find the difference. Alright, so in this case, the line here is starting from 3.5. Okay, then on the other side there is ending on 6.5. So what do you need to do? What you need to do is simple. You simply find the difference between 6.5 minus 3.5. Then that's how you get your diameter. So in this case, there was a typing error. Instead of 6, they put 8 there. That's a mistake they made. They had to put 8. It was supposed to be 6 there. Then just find the difference. Then that's how you get your diameter of the cylinder. Then moving on to the next question, which is question A2. Suggest one possible source of error when taking measurements. So one possible error which can happen when taking the measurement is what? The parallax error. So the parallax error is simply an error whereby, let me just get, okay, so reading right. For example, this is your eye. Then you decide to look at this ruler or this cylinder from that angle, and you decide to take the reading from that direction or from that point of view. You end up getting the wrong reading. Why? Because you're not looking at the proper direction. If you want to look at this diagram from the proper direction, you have to stand in front of it vertically. Then you look at it. So looking at the ruler and the cylinder at the wrong direction, that's what we call the parallax error. Alright, so move on to question B. So question B1 reads, calculate the volume of the cylinder. Take pi to be 22 divided by 7. We know that the length we have already been given in the question there on the diagram is 5 centimeters. Then the diameter, when you subtract 3.5, or rather 6.5 minus 3.5, you're going to get your answer as what? 3. So the original radius here is supposed to be 3, but since there was an error there, the tax calculation was wrong. So for you to find the radius, you simply divide the diameter by 2. That's how you get your radius, because the radius is simply the half of diameter. So here, using the formula for finding volume is equals to pi r squared times h. Then we know that our pi is what? 22 over 7. Multiply with our radius. Our radius is supposed to be 3 to the power 2. Then multiply with our length, which is what? 5 centimeters. When you do your calculations, you will get the correct answer there, not this one. Then lastly, calculate the density of the cylinder. Calculate the density of the cylinder. So I've already been given our mass in the question, and we've already found our volume. Just use the formula for finding density, which says the density is equal to mass divided by what? By volume. Then you get your answer there. I hope this video has helped you to understand this question, the one who sent the question in the group.